How to learn a new skill in 40 days. Learning anything in 40 days is a challenging but rewarding goal. There are many factors that affect how fast and well you can learn, such as your motivation, your methods, your environment, and your habits. However, there are some general principles and strategies that can help you learn anything faster and more efficiently. Here are some of the best tips I've found from the web search results. Find your reason why and get clear on why you want to learn. Having a strong emotional connection to your goal will keep you motivated and focused. Plan your project before you start. Define what you want to learn, how you will measure your progress, and what resources and tools you will use. This will help you avoid wasting time and energy on irrelevant or ineffective activities. Think less about the goal and more about your system. Create a consistent and realistic schedule for your learning sessions and stick to it. Make it easy to win by breaking down your goal into smaller and achievable steps. Learn by actively doing. Engage with the material in different ways, such as reading, writing, speaking, listening, and practicing. Use techniques like spaced repetition, retrieval practice, and interleaving to enhance your memory and understanding. Learn by teaching. Explain what you learned to someone else, or to yourself. This will help you identify gaps in your knowledge, clarify your thinking, and consolidate your learning. Check your direction and course correct. Review your progress regularly and seek feedback from others. Adjust your plan and methods based on your results and challenges. Make it rewarding. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Reward yourself with something you enjoy, such as a break, a snack, or a fun activity. This will reinforce your positive behavior and boost your confidence. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Remember, learning anything in 40 days is possible, but it requires dedication, discipline, and curiosity. Good luck with your learning project.